How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a wood stove for your shop like I have here. It's built out of metal. I just have this up for now for the back wall until I get some insulation, but I'm going to show you how to make a wood stove for $60. All you're going to need is a barrel and a wood stove kit. Now you can get these on Amazon for almost 100 bucks. You can get them at Tractor Supply for like 90. Just depends where you go, but I got this one at Rural King for $60. So if you have a Rural King, I would check there first. These are usually hard to get because everybody buys them, but the barrel was free. You can find somebody to give you a barrel, an old barrel that they don't want anymore. But I'm going to show you how to heat your shop for 60 bucks. I looked into the diesel heaters. They're 100 and some dollars, and yeah, that would be great. But they also take electricity. I do have electricity in here. I'm going to be running a welder and other things, and that's just more power that I got to use to run the diesel heater. Everybody says propane heater. That's just another cost that I have to deal with. I used those little forced air propane heaters before, and they last about a year, and they start going wrong. Plus, it leaves chemicals in here, and you have to leave, a space open up top and gaps in your building so you don't die. Torpedo heaters out of the question. I want something that I can just throw some scrap wood into, heat it up in here, do what I need to do, and be done with it. So for 60 bucks to heat your garage space or your building, metal building like this, is super simple. Now I'm going to go to the extra step and buy some of that concrete board stuff to put on this wall here and on this corner. I'm going to take this down. That way it's shielded from this wood. There's not a whole lot of wood in this shop, just a couple rafters and some wall studs. So I don't have anything to worry about, anything catching on fire. Other than this tarp here, like I said, it's coming down when I put the rest of the wall up. There's already metal here, but like I said, just did it for insulation purposes because it's getting cold and I got a lot of work to do in here. So today I'm going to go ahead and assemble this thing. It's super easy. You can heat your shop for years with an old barrel stove. I don't recommend doing it in a place like a shed, a wooden shed, unless you really insulate it for a barrel heater like this. But this is a metal building, and I want to be able to stay warm. It gets cold in here. So let's go ahead and install this thing. Super easy. It's pretty self-explanatory. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I got all the holes drilled right here. Got all this marked out. Need to cut out with a grinder. You want to make sure your legs are with the door. Got everything cut. Just have to line it up now and bolt it down. Getting her blazing here so I can burn the paint off the barrel. You want to make sure you do this at least twice before you put it in the shop. So with this thing shut down like this, It's 38 degrees out right now, and I'm sitting out here comfortably, t-shirt, no problems. It heats up really, really nice in the surrounding areas. So for 60 bucks, you can heat your shop. Honestly, it's the best way to go. You can get wood cheap, cut wood yourself. You have to rely on gas, power. You have heat right here. I mean, my feet are so warm right now just by sitting this far away from it. It's actually pretty hot. I can't really stand it, but it's a really nice setup.